Cookman Bridge is still passable. And good afternoon. It's already 4:15 p.m. August 20, 2025, and we're here at Gusa, almost at the Galaxy intersection. And Gusa Galaxy Junction, it's traffic's good. No known congestion except for that one. There's a long line of vehicles from the city going to the eastern side. Kugon, Cagayan City. It's slightly heavy. Just at tread line area. For those of you, the younger generation, it's the DIY Nazareth. I am currently at 12th Street Nazareth, just near the intersection of Treadline or DIY Nazareth, and it's heavily congested for I don't know what reason, but it is heavily congested. Surprisingly, Rotunda is not congested, and there's only few vehicles passing through this road. I don't know if I'm early or I wonder where's the quick one. All the way to uptown from Price Plaza going to SM is clear and lightly traffic.